Now, if you want to create a new document in Microsoft Word, what you can do is just open the Microsoft Word, and the most convenient way of opening a document is using the blank document. So just click on that, and then you have the blank screen right here. So here you will start everything from scratch. So this will be an empty document where you will completely build everything. Now the other way of doing this is if you go to the file menu and click on new here, you will get thousands of online template, and you can use the predefined template and customize according to your needs. So basically this template will work as a pillar of your document, and then you will work everything around it. So as you can see, we have a lot of templates right here, but if you want to search for any specific template, you can go in this area and search for online templates. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and here you can search for any template. Like let's say I want to search for coupon template. I'll just write coupon here, and here is the coupon template. Here is the gift card template and all. Similarly, if I want a gift card, you can see the templates according to that as well. You can see the gift card templates, and let's say some more professional thing. Let's say you want to search for a certificate. Now we know that it will take a lot of time to design the certificate from scratch. So rather what you can do is just search for the template and then use it accordingly in your online templates. So you have the certificates right here. You can use any of this, for example, employee of the month template, and these ones as well. So if I click on here, it will create a new document. I'll just click on create here, and you can see that it is document number 2. It is open as a separate file. So now what I can do is just customize the name, just customize the description and the online signature, which should be a transparent picture of your signature. So you can just customize this according to your needs and just resize that however you want, and we are good to go. So for example, if I want to save this now and I've customized this according to my needs, I'll just click on save as and choose my location. For example, I want the most convenient location. I'll save it to desktop. And you can save it as not just Word, but PDF format as well. So we will select the standard format type, that is Word document, and you can write Word course certificate and just hit enter, and it will save it for you. So that's it. This is how you can create your first document in Word. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.